Ya, sekarang Lucy sedang manutu gobi ni fufu. Jadi for mashing potato, we call it manutu gobi. Manutu. Manutu gobi. Manutu gobi means mashing. How does it taste?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yahoo Sobat Gonias, bersama saya Java. Kali ini kita akan berbicara tentang makanan. Seperti kita tahu bahwa gobi ni fufu merupakan salah satu makanan khas di Nias yang dulu juga merupakan salah satu kegemaran saya. Berbicara tentang makanan, dulu kata ibu saya bahwa calon istri yang baik itu adalah seseorang yang pintar memasak. Nah, dalam video kali ini saya akan mengajak Anda semua melihat bagaimana seorang gadis bule dia mempersiapkan gobi ni fufu. Nah, dia akan menggiling dan mempersiapkan gobi ni fufu ini hingga siap dimakan. Nah, Sobat Gonias pernah makan gobi ni fufu belum? Kalau belum, ikuti terus video ini sampai selesai dan lihat bagaimana aksi sang bule untuk mempersiapkan gobi ni fufu. Tapi sebelum lanjut, di-subscribe dulu ya channel Gonias Store agar kami semakin semangat untuk berbagi informasi tentang Pulau Nias. Nah, ini ada Stephen, halo, dan juga Lucy.
Hello.
Ya, mereka berdua dari Australia dan mereka sangat tertarik untuk membuat makanan khas Nias. Ayo kita ikuti. Ini sebuah tantangan bagi mereka untuk membuat makanan tradisional khas Nias. So normally in the past that rice is quite exclusive for us because it was expensive. So we only ate rice in the evening for dinner.
Okay.
So in the morning and afternoon we eat banana, sweet potato or cassava. So one of the way to make it more various that we will make gobi ni fufu. Because especially for those who live in the isolated area, they do not have rice field, so they need to buy. So in the past that the only thing we can sell was rubber, coconut. So it was on we can buy it only for once a week. So just put 1/4 coconut.
Do you need to take some out?
Yeah,
No,
So-
I mean potato.
yeah, yeah. So yeah, give more, maybe 5 spoon. Yeah. Okay, so you can put it later when it is not enough. And actually, would you please to put the palm sugar, Stephen? You need to cut it little.
Fine.
Yeah. Just hold it. It's hard. Yeah.
It's fine.
Ya, that's good. Ya, Stephen sekarang sedang memotong-motong gula merahnya. Manutu gobi. Manutu. Manutu gobi. Manutu gobi means mashing. The first word you say is that word actually. Manutu gobi. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, normally that in the past it was our mom who did it for us. So they mashed the potato.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be the mum today.
Yeah. Mommy Lucy. So I can
It's okay.
do the
I
rest.
think.
Yeah. Sekarang gobi ni fufunya sudah selesai. Sekarang saatnya untuk membungkusnya. Yeah, you put like you press it.
Okay.
Yeah, so it will have a good space. Yeah. Steven does it quickly.
No? Is this wrong?
Yeah, you can do like that one.
Just to get the shape.
Yeah,
I'm not sure how
you make the
roll it.
shape first, so yeah.
Okay, now. Then.
That's perfect for beginner. Do you want to do more?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can have more leaves there.
Okay.
That's all. That part.
This one?
Yeah, the bigger one. Yeah.
Alright, so what
Yeah.
did I do wrong? Tell me what I did wrong.
How does it taste?
Yeah, it's really nice.